Okay, well, I've got my image scanned in of that rough template I made. I'm going to go ahead and load it into Cadrail. Okay, load a bitmap, and I think that was the right one. I'm going to set the location, X and Y location. I'm just going to set it, keep it at 0 because I want it to show up right here where my mouse cursor, and the width is 8.5 by 11. That means it's just 8.5 for the width. Do OK. There it is. Shows up right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and define, oops, wrong one. Define a new track style. Make it blue. Go edit styles. Create new style. Called it and scale. Oops, gotta spell it right. There we go. And I want it to be track double. And I can pick the track scale here. And that's going to be N scale. And I'll do OK. And now we'll go ahead and draw an arc. I'll actually draw a circle first. Now I can draw an arc. Just a simple arc, just like that. Alright. Now I know the radius is a little bit tight. So let me go ahead and rotate this piece some. And I'm just going to pull this out. I pulled the wrong track. I pulled the wrong scale. Darn it. Earth to Everett. Wanted N scale. My bad. Oops. That's what I wanted. Alright. Thought it looked a little big. Okay. Let me just pull this out until I get the radius to match what's going here, like that. You zoom in on this a little bit so you can see better. There, that should be a little bit better. And radius is still a bit too tight. Let me pull it out a little bit more. Shift it over, still too tight. A little bit more. We'll slowly get it. Yeah, a little bit more. Let me go ahead and rotate it a little bit. Let's see if we're getting close enough here. Go ahead and rotate a little bit more, and I think we've got it. Yeah. Shorten it up. Maybe a little bit. Bring it out a little bit more like that. Okay, now I think the radius is correct. At least it matches it close enough. Shoot, maybe a little bit more. Nudge it. There, I think that's it. Let's kind of set it over here, line it up, see how it looks. Zoom in on it some. Yeah, it might still be a little bit. I think it just needs a little rotation. This drawing wasn't exactly the most 100% accurate, but I'm going to go take it back down and eyeball it, take a look, see how it all looks. And I think we're golden on this one. Okay, I'm just going to take it, copy it. There. Move this one out of the way. Now we're going to manipulate this one. And actually these templates are fairly simple to make, at least for curve turnouts. I found plenty of turnouts for standard, plenty of templates for standard turnouts on the internet. There's a ton of them out there. Handlaidtrack.com has a bunch of them. They're definitely a good resource. And they also make some pretty slick turnout making jigs too. This is a custom job, so I need to design it exactly to do what I want it to do. Alright. Yeah, we need to go a little bit more. Just a tiny bit. A skosh more. I don't know if that's a legitimate unit of measurement in model railroading terms, but I'm using it. Alright. Just kind of eyeballing this. I think I need to rotate this a little bit. Just a hair. Oops, screwed that up. There. Okay. I think we got it. Maybe it's a little bit too tight. Just pull it out a little bit more. Okay. Let me shorten this up a little bit. Shorten that. Just slide this into place over the top. Let's see how that measures up. There. I think that'll work. Let me shorten this one up a little bit. Move it back and just overlay it right on top. I think I need to tweak this a little bit more. Change the radius on here a little bit. Like I say, this is just this is not turnout by numbers here exactly. And in a lot of ways, the only part of this turnout I'm going to really be using is this first. Oops, edit, didn't want to move that. Stock rail, and get this one laid down. And everything else will be relative to this rail. Just move on over to put this one in, and use the NMRA gauge to get them to fit together nice. I think this is actually okay, the radius. I just need to rotate this. Yeah, I need to scoot out a little bit with this. Alright, I think I've gotten this close enough where I am ready to print this out and take it back down and take a look at stuff. So let's go print, file, print. And let's see, my units. What is this exactly? Oh yeah, 1 inch is 1/12 the size of the drawing. So I want to print out this section here. Let me zoom in a little bit better. And I need to adjust the margin. Only put a 1/4 inch margin, just like that. Okay, I'm ready to print this thing. Oops, make sure I got this on the right printer. Okay, print it, and I'll take it downstairs and take a look and see how it fits in place.